Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to another Condo Makeover series, and finally I'm back at it again with making another episode for you guys because I kept putting this off. I was so busy with, anything school related and work related, as in sobrang nag-hustle talaga ako. So, as a reward to myself, I want to, set new habits and be more organized with myself in this condo. Kasi medyo magulo na talaga siya, guys. And I kept putting it off kasi nire-reserve ko yung mga condo tour, yung desk makeover, yung closet tour ko, ganon. And I just really want to make a pact to myself to be more consistent and more organized before 2022 begins. So if you're with me, if you're feeling the same, you want to, be more organized and, get our lives together, join me as I organize my kitchen for today. I'm so excited para makapag-kitchen restock tayo. These are the airtight organizers that I got from Shopee. Of course, your girl had to grab something in pastel. So I got this in pastel pink. So I think gagamitin natin. And then I also got salt and pepper thingies. And then dito ko lalagay yung mga vinegar, oil, and stuff like that. So it's easy to grab. Before I proceed, I just want to share my favorite pambahay shorts. I actually got this from Shopee. Originally, jogger pants siya, tapos ginupit ko. And it's like my favorite pambahay shorts because it's super comfy. And then my top is from Cider. And I also got these slippers. Actually, guess slippers ko to kaya malaki siya. So, it's so cute because it resembles as a cloud. So,
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go.
finally, nakapag-kitchen restock ako. And believe it or not, naubos ko na yung mga greengrocery ko noon. Actually, iba binigay ko sa family ko para hindi masayang. But the canned goods and everything else, I finally restocked. And a lot of you guys are asking, ever since I got my dream ref, a lot of you are very curious what's inside. What does it look like inside? So later on, I'll be giving you guys a ref tour while organizing. I'm so excited about that kasi ang dami ko nakikitang TikToks about it. Yung parang nag-restock ng ref. So it's finally my turn to do that. But for now, let us organize my spices before I take everything out. So all of the organizers that I'm gonna use are from Shopee, and majority of them, I got them during sale. Like, it's so insane. I got this for a discounted price. Yung whole set netong spice containers ko, around 1,500 siya, but I got it for more than 50% off. Like, 400 something ko na lang siya nakuha as a set. And I even got it with stickers and white marker to, label the spices. So, super sulit talaga. And don't worry, there will be a Shopee 1/1 New Year sale. And there are a lot of promos and discounts such as piso deals, 11% off vouchers, and free shipping with no minimum spend amount. So don't worry, I got your back. All of the links will be in the description box below.
Do this, but I'll just fall for your influence. 'Cause girl, you make my shooting stars align. And I've been waiting all these seasons for rain to make our lives feel even. And now I've never seen a better sign. Baby, what you say can make or break my day. Baby, what you say can make or break my day.
Okay, so this is what my condiment section look like. I know there's a lot of stuff going on, but I'm still figuring it out. And I also labeled yung mga oil, vinegar, salt na ginawa natin yesterday. So I just cleaned my ref and emptied it out before showing it to you guys, but basically this is what my refrigerator looks like. Anyway, from the outside, it kind of looks like a big single door ref, but honestly, it is small on the inside. Like for example, this freezer, it's kind of tiny for the ref, but nabubuhay naman ako so far. And ayan, I don't know how else I could organize this because, di ba usually pag freezers naka-container din, but if magko-container pa kasi ako, feeling ko onti lang yung malalagay ko. So, let me know if you guys have some advice on how to organize this part of the ref. Now, let's do some ASMR restocking. Forgive my not so trained peeling skills. I don't know if the problem is me or the peeler. I don't know. Comment below. Got these acrylic milk carton containers from Shopee. If I'm not mistaken, I got the 1000 ml one. And ayan, this is where I put my mineral water. So yeah.
Your whiskey needs. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met and you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
Hi guys, so it's currently 2:15 a.m. and I am editing the video that you are watching right now. And ganito ako minsan, I do pull an all-nighter just to finish a video because I have to post this today. I think I'm gonna make an avocado toast with some bacon para magkalaman yung tiyan ko kasi your girl is really hungry right now. So let's make some avocado toast.
Ladies and gentlemen, Maxwell Landry and the Ceramics. Oh baby, first you make your dough and you roll out the crust. While we're working on the ladders, I'm my butter, yeah, the two. You mix the berries and the sugar into a pot. Don't you worry, baby, I got sugar for you. Yeah, you just believe me, it'll turn out fine. Baking blackberry pie.
Oh, finally. Let's eat, everybody. I'm so hungry. So good. This is the maha.